So we got a pullback of 10% yesterday for AMC, right around our resistance, or more than 10%, but we closed 10% down, and now it's 3% up and reversing. We got a huge buyer over the $2.11. We got a huge wick at the market open, and now we started to reverse up. Is this a market maker plan to buy cheaper price for AMC before the squeeze or not? Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So let us discuss AMC price action, guys, because after the 30% jump from the good revenue that we got last earning 1.6 billion, we got a pump of almost 30%. Then we tested the resistance that we discussed before. If you don't remember, guys, we always discuss AMC at our live streaming, and the price was before the 263. We hit the 260 and we pulled back. And now we started to reverse again, or testing the support, which is around the $2.11. And you see what's the good reaction is a wick. If you don't know technical, guys, the wick is mean there is a huge buying pressure and the price didn't hold a few minutes around this level. Is mean is like you see in a discount price an Apple or a car, whatever, the price go from 50,000 to 25,000. So even if you don't have the money, we're gonna borrow money to buy this car or this iPhone, whatever, because it's discounted 50%. Here we have a discount of 10% or 15% for AMC because the last day it was around 260. Then we went until the $2. We got a lot of traders, investors buying AMC because they think is a price is cheap and affordable to buy right now for AMC after the major earnings that we got, the Q2 earnings for AMC, which was not too bad, and that's why we have a jump of 30% and a pullback, strategic pullback for AMC around almost 13 or 15%. That's why we witnessing the price reversing very quick, almost 5%, before even the market open was jumping higher. So right now we got the volatility coming up. And again, you see, we got not just one 5 minute green candle, but we have one, we got two, and the third 5 minute green candle almost closing right now. This is show us that we have a huge buying pressure for AMC. So how are we going to confirm that the buying pressure is still there? The simple measure is by holding over the $2.12 and go toward the $2.60 again and go over the $2.60 to test the $3. This is not going to happen in just one day. Might happen one day if we got the right buyer, but the plausible reaction or the right reaction is holding, breaking the 260, holding the 260, and go toward the $3. As you can look here, just from the chart, we see this move. It is, let me just do this. Yeah, this move would be really great to have around the 260. Let me do really refresh here. We got a bit of, yes, right now I think I could do the percentage wise to check how much. Yeah, right now is around the $2.30. Yes, if we jumped, we have 12% to squeeze, and after that we might do another 20% around the $3. So this is what we should expect to see for AMC if we held, of course, the $2.12 by today and the rest of the week. And as you can see here, we have another first 5 minute green candle forming right now. Four, not just three, but right now is going toward the four. Why are we caring about those candles? Because this is show us there is a buying pressure holding, and even there's selling pressure. There's more buyers agreeing that AMC right now is discounted, and this is show us that the price continue to go up, and there is no pullback yet. The pullback might happen again around the technical level $2.43 and $2.55, but this is normal reaction because this is where the short seller lies, and this is where the last defense for AMC before exactly before a breakout and explosion might happen next time around the $3. And this price, guys, it's been a while. Last time we tested this level around the $3. It was on June 17th of June, or yes, almost 1 month from now. And we might test this level pretty soon. Right now it's going toward the 6% and it's still jumping. So watch out, guys. AMC looking really interesting right now after this jump. ZCMD, guys, is squeezing, and ADVB is squeezing as well. We have to discuss those two stocks. On our Discord, as usual, guys, we always do those stocks early on. Today we discussed them on our pre-market watch list. We did kids, of course. Those stocks slumped down, but ZCMD and ADVB just came after the market opened because we got a huge news came for them. So we're gonna do update for them later on, as usual, on our Discord and Patreon. And of course, we're gonna do update for AMC by tomorrow on our live streaming. So make sure to hit the notification and the like button. You'll be gonna notified once we go live by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the